Some people would define me as a steamroller. My dad likes to say that I am vivacious. I would easily say one of the most traumatic aspects of having cancer as an adolescent is the separation, the disconnection. The first round of chemo was probably the toughest because it almost felt as if somebody had just kind of hit the pause button in my life and on no one else's. So everybody's life is moving really quickly, and all of a sudden everything just stopped in mine. So I was just thinking, I mean, there has to be a better way. I'm Carly Rutledge, and I'm a Ewing sarcoma survivor, and I live in Boulder, Colorado. That was a little bit earth-shattering. I had been accepted to the University of Colorado. My future was finally tangible.
When you are a passionate parent, you will rise up to the, whatever it takes. So I just took it upon myself to find out what is the latest science and is there anything coming available in trials for Ewing sarcoma specifically.
Cancer immunotherapies goes back 30 years, and in the last 10 years, there's been some huge advances. This vaccine in particular incorporates key mechanisms that allows the immune system to get better at now identifying the cancer, at being stronger to fight the cancer, and at being able to get past the walls that the cancer sets up.
Cancer cells start to thrive in the body because they are able to escape the immune system. When patient has Ewing sarcoma, these Ewing sarcoma cells, they start to grow and they start to invade, metastasize, move to different places. On the surface of these cells, there is some messages that say, please don't attack me, don't kill me, and that's how the immune system doesn't get activated. Not only that, after they see these cancer cells, they don't go around the body and say, hey, listen, we have something that we need to attack. This immune system police is shut down. What we do is we take the cancer cells from our patients, then we take it to the lab and we introduce a new message to the genes that will stop the production of all these messages in the surface of the cells that tell the immune system, don't get activated, don't attack me. So then we prepare this vaccine and we give it back to the patients on a monthly basis. And this time the immune system not only see the cancer cell but get activated, start to kill the cancer cells, and also they go to the rest of the body to tell the other cells, hey, listen, we need to kill these cells.
It's almost like your basic flu shot. It goes in your bicep and takes them 5 to 10 seconds to get all the medicine in, and then you leave. And there's no pain other than the initial stick, and there's no nausea, there's no vomiting, there's no weakness or fatigue.
When Carly came to us, she came with an isolated pulmonary nodule. So we did the vaccine and we saw that month after month, the same nodule stayed at the same size. It did not regress, but somehow this nodule became dormant or inactive.
And that doesn't happen in Ewing sarcoma. It usually explodes uncontrollably. And so the fact that this little tiny nodule in my lung refused to grow, is considered dead or calcified at this point, is momentous.
The hope with the vaccine was that we can first stop the cancer from growing. If, in a safe way, our bodies can live with cancer and the cancer is no longer growing, it's like diabetes, it's like hypertension. Those diseases aren't cured, but people live a long time with those diseases, not have any problems as long as they're taking the medication.
If I'm healthy, I'm happy. Nothing would make me happier than to see more people have this treatment with no toxicity and to see more success than they would with the second-line chemotherapy. And hopefully I can be the first to blaze that trail, and other people will follow me with just as much success.